state of Florida faces a wave of lawsuits challenging a new voting law. Governor Ron DeSantis says he signed Senate Bill 90 to strengthen the security of elections.
But several groups claim it discriminates, and now Florida taxpayers will pay to defend it in court. News 6 investigator Eric Sandoval has more on how much that could cost you.
Me signing this bill here says, Florida, your vote counts.
Giving the live exclusive to Fox News, Governor Ron DeSantis signed Senate Bill 90 on May 6th. And for some, like News 6 political expert Jim Clark, it wasn't a surprise.
This has been a Republican effort, more to show Donald Trump that they are doing something in response to his claim of, hey, the election was fixed.
DeSantis called it the state's new election integrity bill, which, among other things, requires additional ID when changing your voter registration. It prohibits the mass mailing of ballots and also prohibits private money from the elections process. But within minutes of signing it,
today we are here to discuss a new lawsuit.
Groups like the Hispanic Federation, the League of Women Voters, and the NAACP all filed lawsuits challenging it. All three federal lawsuits claim SB 90 disproportionately impacts minority communities by limiting where and when ballot drop boxes can be used and by limiting who can help return vote-by-mail ballots.
Your cohorts say you've been following the developments here in Florida pretty closely.
I have been.
Jade Ford is an attorney with the Campaign Legal Center, a national voting watchdog group. She says defending SB 90 in court will cost taxpayers a lot of money.
It's certainly going to cost Florida taxpayers money, and that's because the state is insisting on defending these unlawful voter suppression laws in court with lawyers that are going to cost money.
How much money are we talking?
We're talking millions of dollars. A lot of lawyers are going to get very wealthy off of this.
Clark and Ford say it's impossible to pinpoint exactly how much taxpayer money will be spent. But all we need to do is look at a similar case in Texas, where 5 lawsuits challenged the state's new voter ID law. By the time the challenges were dismissed, the tab to taxpayers had surpassed $3.5 million. News 6 contacted Florida's Attorney General's office. They told us as of right now they have not retained outside legal counsel and are handling the suits internally. And Orange County Supervisor of Elections says he has an attorney on retainer. But if hearings are called in those lawsuits, he may need to pay more out of pocket. And this isn't the only new law being challenged in court. The new law aimed at censorship on social media is also facing a challenge here in federal court. Jim Clark expects these cases to drag on for years in the court system, some of them even making their way to the Supreme Court for a final decision. We're outside the federal courthouse in downtown Orlando. Eric Sandoval, Getting Results, News 6.